Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Economics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, and this is session 6 of data analytics using SPSS. If you haven't watched the previous videos, that is the initial lectures of SPSS, please go ahead and do them before hitting this one. This is an online certificate course of data analytics using SPSS. If you still do not know how to register to it, I am showing you the visual process right now. Let me share my screen. Go to Google and type www.economics.com and you will find online certificate courses listed here. Click on Excel, Stata, or SPSS as you feel. Learn more. And directly scroll down and you will find the registration form. So once you fill up the registration form, let's say, your response will be recorded and we will directly get an email like so. And once we get the email, we will give you a call or we will write back to you and the process will be explained to you. That's easy. That's how easy it is. About Economics, we are an international research data analytics company serving knowledge across 165 countries. Yes, we have hit another benchmark of 165 countries. We are registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Startup India, Skill India. That's it. Now let's roll into the video. In case you do not have the book, please again, once you register, we will courier you the book and the study material. That should be easy. I'm opening the data to begin with today's session. In today's session, we are going to learn about visual representation of data. Mostly we are going to be focused today on pie and the different types of bars. So there are so many more types of charts and graphs which we are going to learn and uncover slowly and steady. Okay, let's begin with the pie chart. For pie chart, a very important thing is that your data should be, categorical data. Okay, it should be categorical data. When I say categorical data, which it means that, let's say, take a look at this data, which says gender, and the gender is further subcategorized into female and male. On the other hand, we have age, which is again fragmented into young and old. Furthermore, we have experience, which is again divided into yes and no. So categorical data means a data which can be further fragmented or, subcategorized. On the other hand, if we look at the data such as profit, sales, or advertisement expenditure, then these are called the numeric data or the quantitative data. And these are not categorical data. For such data, we do not use a pie chart. However, for such data, we do use a pie chart and we do not use charts like bar chart or, column charts. We do not. Okay, or line chart. Those are an error. So just learning to use the software is not enough. Knowing and interpreting the results are also enough. So you have to know which data suits which graphical visualization. Okay, so let's understand pie. Go to Analyze, go to Descriptive Statistics, click on Frequencies, click on let's say gender, click on charts, click on pie, click on percentages, click on continue and OK. So our data represents that we have more female leaders than male leaders, okay, in the cosmetic industry. That is what the data is refining. Now, let's say, so you're going to get the same result if you do with frequencies or with percentage. Let's just look at it quickly. Analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies, and charts instead of percentages. Let's click on frequencies, continue, and click on OK. See, we have the same result. However, the textbook method asks us to do it in percentage. Hence, we always ask our students, our scholars, to show it in percentages. Okay, that's for pi. Let's understand bar, doing the bar. Let's go to graph, chart builder, and take a look. Under the gallery bar, you have bar. Click on bar, then click on the first bar. Click and drag it. On the x-axis, you need a representation. It could be year, it could be city name. In this data, it is the name of the firm. Okay, click until the box is red and then drop the variable. That is the appropriate way of doing that. And then let's click on advertisement, expenditure, click and drag until the box is red in color and then release the click button. Okay, and then you click on OK. So now you see that the mean advertisement expenditure. So for the first firm, that is A001, it comes up to this place. Let's just check the data and understand. 001, see, it was 7.54. Okay, so that's what it is being represented over here, 7.54. The second one is firm A002, which comes somewhere till 5 point something. Let's check the data. A002, it's 5.43. So that's how the bar is done. Now, this is all good. Okay, this is a simple bar, should not be an issue with this one. Now let's understand what if we want to do multiple bars together. Again, let's go to graph, chart builder, reset. The second one, select the second bar type, click and drag. Again, click firm. With the x-axis, click profit and drag to the y-axis. Again, let's click and drag sales until the plus sign appears. It is very important and crucial that the plus sign should appear and drop the sales in the plus sign. A dialog box like so should open and click on OK. Okay, and click on OK. Now what do we see? For the firm named A001, we have the profits and we have the sales. Similarly, we have the data representation from firm 001 to firm 025. Now, what if I want to add one more to it? I want to add advertisement as well. Click and drag till the plus sign is showing and leave. There you go, the third variable. Now what do we have? We have profit being represented in blue, sales being represented in red, and advertisement expenditure being represented in green. Okay, you can obviously double click this and this will open up. Okay, so now if you want, you can just simply change the, horizontal or vertical. So this is a vertical representation of the bar chart. This is a horizontal representation. So in Excel, this is called either the column or the bar. That's totally fine. You can select if you want. So you can change the representation, that is colors, lines, grids, whether you want the label or you don't want the label, if you want to add a text, something like those, all those things can be done over here. How did I come to here? I double clicked on my chart and this chart editor opens. Okay, that's it. Play around it and you'll get the hang of it. Now this is fine. This is when you're displaying multiple bar charts together. Now, what if you want to stack it up? Okay, like a clustered bar. Go to graph, chart editor, reset everything, and select the third one, which is stacked bars. For the x-axis, select the firm. For the y-axis, select the profit. You cannot actually do it with this because it will become a simple bar then. You need more than one variables on the y-axis for stacked bar. Okay, and let's say I'm adding a third variable. Okay, and click on OK. And this is how your stacked bar should look like. So blue is again representing profit, red is representing sales, and green is representing advertisement expenditure. So we are not overcrowding this video. Let's just keep it simple. We have understood pi. So pi should be done with categorical variable and bar, which is done mostly with um, categorical variable on the x-axis and numeric variable on the y-axis. So basically there should be some text like city name or year or firm name or something like that on the x-axis and numbers on the y-axis. For pi, everything should be categorical. I hope I could explain myself. If you learned something new, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you have any doubts, drop a comment down below or write to us at contact@economics.com or hit the number being displayed on your screen. If you want to register to the course, you will find the direct link down in the description box, or you can directly visit the website. And I hope you learn and get a certificate on data analytics using SPSS. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.